Google just dropped a huge teaser that has the entire tech world buzzing because the Pixel 10 Pro Fold has officially been hinted at during Google's latest event, and this is shaping up to be one of the boldest moves in the foldable phone market yet. So let's dive into everything you need to know right now, starting with the design because leaks and Google's own visuals confirm a slimmer hinge, a larger outer display that stretches nearly edge to edge, and an inner folding screen that finally looks crease-free thanks to improvements in display engineering. And not only does this make it more competitive against Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series, it shows Google is serious about winning foldable fans in the US market. And speaking of winning, durability has been one of the biggest concerns with foldables, but the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is rumored to carry IP68 water and dust resistance, which is a huge leap forward for a folding device, plus a stronger hinge mechanism that Google says has been tested for hundreds of thousands of folds without failure. So this could finally be a foldable you don't have to baby. Powering this beast is the new Google Tensor G5 chip built on a smaller and more efficient architecture, promising faster AI-driven features, better multitasking, and more responsive performance across the board. And if you're someone who loves capturing content, the camera system will be one of the highlights because Google is expected to pack in its advanced computational photography with a triple camera array including a telephoto lens, ultra-wide, and a main sensor rivaling the Pixel 10 Pro flagship lineup. And imagine having those world-class Pixel photos and videos but on a device that folds into a tablet for editing on the go. Speaking of tablet mode, Google is doubling down on software integration because Android 15 on the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is said to include optimized multitasking with drag and drop between apps, split-screen enhancements, and exclusive AI features that make use of the larger canvas. So productivity users in the US who wanted an iPad alternative but in phone form may have found their dream device. Now of course pricing is always the big question, and while Google hasn't confirmed it yet, early reports suggest a launch price around $1,699, which puts it right in the ballpark of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. But if Google throws in Pixel ecosystem perks like free Pixel Watch 4 integration or extra cloud storage, it could tip the scales for buyers. Release timing is also something everyone's watching closely, and based on the teaser, it looks like the official launch will happen this fall, with pre-orders possibly opening within weeks, making it one of the hottest tech drops leading into the holiday season. And when you think about the bigger picture, this isn't just about another smartphone, it's about Google finally carving out a serious presence in foldables and pushing the Pixel lineup into a new era. Because with Samsung, Apple rumors, and now Google entering hard, foldables might be on track to become mainstream in the US much faster than expected. So the Pixel 10 Pro Fold could be the phone that changes not only Google's smartphone future but also how we think about mobile devices overall. And I want to know what you think about it. Would you actually consider buying the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, or do you think foldables are still too gimmicky? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to keep up with all the latest gadget drops and leaks that matter in the US, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe because we've got a lot more coming your way on Digital Dive.